Hi, I'm Kelly Yefet. I am the founder and growth advisor of Kelly Yefet Consulting. Hopefully, we'll get to collaborate and work together soon. I'll give you a quick rundown of myself and where I love collaborating with founders and entrepreneurs. I have a background in entrepreneurship. I've exited a company and I've started several others. I was a brand manager in the CPG space at a Fortune 500 company. I then managed growth programs at a fairly large tech company in Canada. And most recently, I joined a pharmaceutical company focused on leading their marketing team for Canada. After I exited my company about 3 years ago, at the mid of the pandemic, I transitioned from starting my own companies into supporting entrepreneurs and founders grow their companies. The sweet spot where I think I add the most value for companies as a brand and growth advisor is when you're in about Series A or before. When you have a pretty great product, you're excited to share it with the world and figuring out how to find the right channels, the right messaging, the right audience to deliver that message. I can help deliver your brand strategy. And once that has a solid foundation, we transition into the growth strategy. One thing about my style of collaborating with companies is not just to hand over a strategy and then walk away. Doesn't really help you. I'm not proud of my work. Instead, what I look for is a company that's looking for collaboration and where we can work to develop the strategy that is optimal for your company and then actually get the ball rolling on it so that your team then can pick it up and continue to grow it and optimize it for what makes sense for the company as it grows and transitions into whatever the company ends up being. But I like to be a little bit more hands-on to ensure that what we're building and what we're saying is the right strategy actually makes sense when we put it into practice. There's sometimes a disconnect between the hypothetical and what we actually see play out in market. And I like to stick around to actually build that out with your team and make sure that I can answer questions. We can see what's working, what's not, so that this is the best program for you. I hope that this sounds interesting to you. And if you'd like to connect and learn more, check out my LinkedIn or reach out directly to me and we can connect. Thanks so much.